Hello friends, welcome to SL Smart Ideas. Today we bring to you an awesome recipe. It's called Date Semolina Ladoo. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell button to get notified. Let's go to the video. The ingredients: semolina, 200 grams, sugar, 170 grams, scraped coconut, ½ cup, or 50 grams, dates, 50 grams, ghee or butter, 2 tablespoons, plums, 1 tablespoon, peanut, 1 tablespoon, milk, 1/4 cup, or 60 milliliters, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom. Let's see how to make it. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. While mixing, keep the fire mild. Add 1 tablespoon of peanut. Add 1 tablespoon of plums. Once the peanuts and plums turns to golden color, remove from the pan. Add 200 grams of semolina. Heat the semolina in mild heat with ghee and continuously turn the mixture for 2 minutes. Add ½ cup or 50 grams of scraped coconut. Add fried peanuts and plums. Add 170 grams of sugar. Mix very well. Add 50 grams of dates. Mix very well. Mix till it turns into a phase where balls can be made. Let's make the ladoo balls. Let the mixture cool down and get harder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom. Add 1/4 cup of, or 60 milliliters of milk. Make the balls very hard by squeezing like this. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell button to get more awesome videos like these. Delicious Date Semolina Ladoo is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See you soon in another video. Until then, keep making awesome stuff. SL Smart Ideas. Nothing but the best.